Yes, after I'm married with my ex-husband like 8 years ago, and then because he is sick, meaning is allergic and everything is sick, like schizophrenia. If you know schizophrenia, he is schizophrenia, and I take care of him 8 years. I'm just a girl. I can even talk with him. I can talk with him like, how are you? Wie geht es dir? Alles okay? Und dann manchmal sage ich, willst du was essen oder trinken? Oder willst du Sex mit mir haben? Do you want to have sex with me? Sometimes I feel like, I don't know what I feel like. I learn from myself and anything from my mom too. I learned that if you are a good girl, take care of him. And my ex-husband is schizophrenia. Can you imagine schizophrenia? You can't choose anybody to marry you, and then in the middle of the problem, you know that your husband is sick. I think it's normal, but it's not. You know, schizophrenia, sometimes laughing, sometimes angry, like he wanna kill me, and he said before, Neng, better you go now because my friend of me said kill you. I said, oh, it's many things. My husband every minute can be change position, change character because he is schizophrenia. And then after that, he said to me that we must divorce. Because what? Because unreal. Because he said, Neng, we must divorce because what my friend say. Meaning friend is illustration. Is no friend of him because he's schizophrenia. He talk with somebody when I see no one there. Where is your friend? Because I know, but he is schizophrenia. And then he said, better you divorce her. If not, kill her. Husband said like that after 8 years. Can you imagine? It's not easy, you know. Someone, okay, he not handsome, he not masculine, he's fat, but I'm the person grateful what the God give me. He helped me from Indonesia go to Germany. He support all anything, go to school, food, money, and anything could be bad. He's schizophrenia. He's sick inside. Even I can't. Sometimes, Duska. So, oh, okay. And then he said, okay, what's los? Ja, ich musste nur einfach reden mit dir oder ich habe Problem. Sometimes, you know, I want to tell him that I have problem with my exams, or I have problem with my heart, that I'm so lonely because first month or 2 months we sleep together. But after that we not sleep together because sometimes he wake me up or like, so Dusko, what's going on? Sometimes like he wanna kill me, but it's not. After that, oh, I'm sorry, and then another story again, every minute another character. I'm scared, and then he built in front of the house my own room, and then after that we are separate room because he's schizophrenia. And then yes, I just grateful to God that I'm now it's different than long times ago, not like now. I'm thank you for God. I'm thank you for him. Without him, I'm not here. And then we are divorced. After divorce, okay, I want to change my life because too depressing. he's nice person, but she's so pregnant you can't live with. And then God, I pray to God, God, please give me more better life, give me more better everything.